Dip. Oh, dee-doo-dah, turn on some lights. The party's about to begin, folks. Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Hands on with BLG. I'm BLG. I am Lefty, and I am Righty. Today, we're going to do something. I'm going to try to do something. Another copycat recipe. Someone had commented on my Fritos bean dip video. You know, I should figure out the Fritos cheese dip. So I picked up a can of Fritos Jalapeno Cheddar bean dip. This was like $3.89, $3.88, something like that. And it's good. But I'm going to take a look at it and see what we got. See what I got to stare at in my competition today. I'm taking it as a challenge, sir. There's what we got. Do you see any chunks of jalapenos in there? No, there is no chunks of jalapenos. There is jalapeno, but I think it's just jalapeno juice from a jar of jalapenos. So we're going to try to test that theory out. But I had to buy that because I had to know what it tastes like, the flavor profile, and get an idea what's in it. How, you know, the ingredients. The ingredients. And as you know, our favorite burner is dead for now. And so we're going to work on the back one here, which shouldn't be too much of an effect. What I want to start with, I want to get this pan on low. 2, 3. I'm going to try it in oil. That's medium. I'm going to try this at like 4. For right now, we can always turn it down a touch. I'm going to throw 1½ tablespoons of butter. Butter! This is unsalted butter. If I can get all the paper off of it. 1½ tablespoon, or yeah, 1½ tablespoons unsalted butter. And I'm going to get that all melted down, okay? While I'm doing that, I'm going to undo this and throw it in the butter dish. There we go. Let that boil, or not boil, but let that melt down. And I'll see you when that gets melted down. Then we're going to throw the next thing at it. Alrighty, now we're back. And I am going to put, with our 2 tablespoons of butter, I am going to put, it's caught, 2 tablespoons of flour. That's right, people. I'm starting with a roux. I think it's going to be my best luck. I'm going to get me a whisk. I'm starting with a roux. I think I'm going to try to shoot for, I think it's called a bechamel sauce. Because if you just put cheese in, it's just going to harden back up. So I'm going to start with a roux. Right here, and let it cook for just a second. Cook that flour taste out. And to this roux, I am going to add ½ of a teaspoon of cornstarch. Cornstarch. Just like soup. Stir that. Now I'm going to put 1 cup of milk in here. This is going to take a while to heat and thicken, but that's why I've got it. I turned down the heat to 3.5. So you're going to stir this in real good. I'm going to heat this up. I'm going to let it thicken a little bit. Alright, and I'll see you then. Okay, as you can see, it's thickened, right? I turned down my heat to 3.0. Basically a medium-low. Now, the cheese, I'm going to use mild cheddar because I did not taste any form of sharp cheddar. So I'm going to use mild cheddar. I'm going to put some of that in there. I want to get this incorporated in. I'm just taking a pinch That's probably, I don't know, third of a cup or so. I'm going to start it with that. Let it get melted in. I'm going to take this off the heat actually for now. Let's take it back here off of the heat. Because as long as it's warm enough to melt the cheese, it'll be good to go. Okay, now I'm going to take another little fistful of cheese. Alright, more cheese, BLG. We'll just keep putting pinches of cheese in until you get the color you want, basically. I suppose. First time making this for me. It's not going to come out super yellow because, you know, I don't use food coloring. Alright. So took that pretty well. Let's go, what do you say, one more lump of cheese? Because why the fuck not? It's cheese. Right? It's a cheese dip. Let's go with some more. Put that in here and stir that in. See, and this shouldn't set back up on you when it's done. It should stay kind of a dip. There we go. Took that really nice. More cheese. Just going to keep adding some cheese. Whoa, hey. Here we go. Melt it in there, baby. If it gets a little too runny, add a little bit more milk. Or if it gets a little too solid, I think we're going to go with that. Right there. Now, to this, I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. Like so. 1/2 teaspoon of accent seasoning salt. MSG, baby. You can use regular salt if you want. Boom. 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Because the can just says seasonings. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I might add a little more than that. Let's go teaspoon of salt. I am going to add 1/2 of a teaspoon, if I can get it. Give me a second. Damn, that was a good shot. Of vinegar. It's got just a little touch of vinegary taste. Alright. And I'm going to add, I can't find it, 1 teaspoon vegetable oil. Like so. Stir this together, see what we come up with. Get it all stirred real nice. Alright. See where I'm at so far. Yeah, okay. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of jalapeno juice. We'll start there. Get that stirred in. Real nice like. Just like so, you can see, right? Yeah. Mix that all up good. And what have I got? Bit more jalapeno juice. I'm gonna go, that'll be 2 tablespoons of jalapeno juice. It's getting there. Try that. That's not too bad. I'm going to put just a little bit more salt. I'm going to go with another 1/2 teaspoon accent seasoning salt. Boom. whip this in here. I'm looking for that little afterburn that bring that salt flavor up just a touch. What have I got? Oh, there it is. There it is. That little bit of vinegary. Okay, I'll be right back. We're going to sample this. We're going to test this out against the other one. That's pretty good. We'll see what the other one tastes like in just a minute. All right, folks. I've finger sampled, tasted. They're similar. It's not an exact copy, of course. These guys have way more chemicals and things in theirs. I don't. But let's do the taste. Let's taste mine first. Get a chip. It's got that little bit of soury, vinegary kick. The jalapeno kind of kicks in. I put another tablespoon of jalapeno juice in here. And it kind of builds on you. Not bad. Very good. Let me get this one cleaned up. Alright. Excellent. Yeah, it's got that little remainder kind of thing. I might add a touch more vinegar. See what we got on this. Get a decent little setup on here. Yeah, I need a little bit. I'm going with maybe another I'm going to put another teaspoon of vinegar in there. I think that's what I'm missing. The jalapeno heat cake's about the same. I'll put a little bit more vinegar in here. I get that soury first kick off of this. And I think they might have used sharp cheddar. Now that I'm sampling against this. That helped a lot. That helped a whole lot. Yep. And then this. Yep. There you go. That is about as close as you're going to get from home. That's what I'm going to say. So, friends, I'm with BLG. Give me a second here. Getting this out of here. You can adjust your jalapenos, juice and stuff, or you can actually dice up some jalapenos. You know, put them in there. Make it as hot or cold as you want. But the rest of the stuff seems to be pretty good. I'll watch this and try to get it written down. What I actually came up with in the recipe. Type it out in the description for you. That's good shit. That's pretty close. So I hope you enjoyed the episode. And make this stuff. I don't know. It's bound to be cheaper than $3.88 or 89 cents, whatever this was. Just as good. And you get more, as you can see. See? Enjoy. So friends, I'm with BLG for BLG. I am BLG. I am lefty. And I am righty. Till the next time, folks. I'm going to shut my oven off. My stove is turned on. Till the next time, folks. You guys know what to do. That's right. Peace out, people. Just peace out. Hands on with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around and learn from me.